In this video, I'll show you how to trade Moonshot on Dexscreener Memecoins. This will basically be a complete beginner's guide tutorial. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now at first you need to be logged into your Moonshot profile, right? So this is our Dexscreener, and I'm going to show you how you can trade these memecoins right here. So before you start trading at all, what you need to do, you need to make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to your Dexscreener, right? So I made a video about that on my channel, so ensure you go check it out, how to connect your Phantom wallet to Dexscreener. So you should make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, and if I click on this tab right here, you see that from my extension I have my Phantom wallet installed right here. So I have my Phantom wallet installed right here, and it would ease the stress, right? So you can see on here I have just $2. So this is basically how you can trade meme coins on Dexscreener by Moonshot. So if you want to trade this, you can, okay, remember at first you need to connect your wallet, right? So this is not basically how to launch token, this is how to trade. So let's say if you want to buy meme coins right here, you need to go to this new, right? Because these are the tokens that are currently launched right now. And if you use the new option, you can buy token. You can buy like a whole lot of token at a very cheap amount, right? So this is the White Christmas, currently launched 3 minutes ago with $6,000 market cap. This one 6.9 thousand. Pinku Chill guy. So all these are tokens that are launched just few minutes ago, a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, even 10 minutes. So but if you want to click this, you can click on this rising, right? So these are tokens that are currently rising. They are making good progress, like they are moving well. So you can get a bag for yourself right here. Let's say I got $2 in my Phantom wallet. Let me know if I can get something here. I'd like to show you guys what I mean. So I wanna get Bobo. So I'll click on Bobo. I wait for it to open. I want to trade Bobo meme coin right here. Moonshot by Dexscreener. So let me know if my $2 can get me anything. Or maybe possibly in the next video I would have to fund, right? So this is Bobo Chats. Bobo has a market cap of $53,000, and I want to know if I can buy this token right here. You can see buys are dropping. Someone bought $16 right now, just 21 seconds. It's on $17. So I would come on here. Let me know if I can buy 0.006. Let me know if I can buy that 0.006. That is the available money. So at this amount I can get 23,000 Bobo, right? I'll click on the buy. I would come on here. I think this. So it's processed. Let me know if this can get it for me. I don't know. Let me just see if it would go. So this is basically how you can trade meme coins here on the screen. Find tokens that are rising. Don't buy tokens that are new, right? Like, it's not that you shouldn't buy tokens that are new, but most tokens that are new, most don't really push it out like with the market capitalization. So the tokens that are rising can yield you some profit if you can buy in early, right? So let me know if this would go through. I don't know, let me see. So I want to buy 23,000 Bobo right now, and I'm going to confirm this transaction. So once I'm done now, I'll wait for this to load. Okay, yeah, so I tried this out now, and you can see they're already selling off this token. Someone sold $252, someone sold $361. So from this tab you can see that the minimum Bobo I can buy is 175,000 Bobo, which is I think around $20 or so. I don't know, or $15 or $11. So it was not able to go through because of I didn't have enough soul in my wallet, and I'm going to make a video about that as well. How you can, like, I'm going to make a video and fund my Solana with like $20 or $30 and show a full detailed breakdown on how you can purchase tokens like this. So this is basically how you can trade meme coins on Moonshot by Dexscreener. So find pairs that are rising, pairs that are coming up, that are doing good. Look at this Aura now. Aura has a market cap of $15,000. We can search for something better. Look at this token right now. If you buy tokens like this, it remains 89% to complete. you can for sure make some money for yourself when this token goes live on Radium. And one thing about this is that if this token goes live on Radium, the creator of this token would receive, I think, 2 Solana, like $500 reward from Radium platform. So look at this token right here. This is $74K. This is $62K. So yeah, these kind of tokens really do well. Fine for tokens that are coming to fill up, right? So once it has filled up, you'd be able to make some profit for yourself if it goes live on Radium. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. If you got any questions you want to ask me as regards to anything, please feel free to share your thoughts as well below in the comment section. If you want to email me, you can also do that. Check out my email in this video description. Thank you guys for hanging around till the end of this very video. I'll see you guys in the very next one.